Hey guys, we received this Greenkeeper portable Bluetooth karaoke machine with two wireless microphones for test and try, 200 watt peak power, and a wireless speaker with the LED lights. So with a TF card support, aux cable support, and a USB support. So here is the speaker itself. So let me just open everything. So it looks really nice with this owl-like eyes, nice band. It's a great speaker. So you can see a different thing like the charging TF card, USB, like a pen drive support, as well as it have the radio and Bluetooth with the aux cable support. So this have a multiple function and very nice from the side as well. So with the deep bass and stuff, so let me just try all these things. So there are the two mics that comes and this is the aux cable that you can use. So it's the charging cable that you can do. So let me just on this. So very nice deep bass thing and very nice design. Looks like an owl eyes, lightweight and stuff. So the mic thing also you can use.
Hello, hello, hello. Is it
So
good?
the other good thing is
Greenkeeper
have a voice changer like
stereo
a female to male
speaker
voice, male to female, monster voice,
karaoke
doll
machine.
voice. So you can change the effect,
Hello, 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 hello,
and it's a
hello.
fun thing
It's
as well
best
with a echo sound.
machine voice
And it have a
changer.
200 watt peak
This
power
is
with the two sound
voice
channel and the
changer.
mic.
Hello, hello. How are you?
You can also change the style to like, for the radio, for Bluetooth and other things. So the Bluetooth connectivity is good, just straightforward, and you can hear the voice quality is really good with a good bass. So this have a Bluetooth, USB, TF card, aux in, mic input, and a FM. Overall, very nice music and the sound, very nice, this LED light effect, lightweight, high bass, very nice Bluetooth speaker with the mic and the karaoke machine.